Okay, so what we have here is the reference implementation of a 3D virtual world based on the Newbound Software Library. And in our 3D virtual world, we have an avatar, we have the ability to view our environment in 3 dimensions, we can zoom in, and we can zoom out. I believe we can zoom out farther in the Newbound Software Library's 3D virtual world than you can really zoom out in pretty much any other virtual world that I've experienced. But that's one of the major features of our virtual world, is that it renders the model uh, based on the perspective of the camera angle and optimizes it for the resolution of the screen. So um, you can really view it from any perspective and it'll give you a pretty true representation of what you're looking at. Now, this model, this terrain for this world that we've got here is based on a file that I've got on my hard drive here. My kids actually have helped me design this. This is just a simple map. It's not a very high resolution map or anything. Um, but it provides us with the texture that overlays this model and represents the world that we're walking around on. Now, as you zoom in, you need higher degrees of resolution. And what the system does is it actually generates these images for you as you zoom in. Now, they're pixelated, of course, because they're based on a much lower resolution source image. But what this allows us to do is go in with an image editor, such as Photoshop, and add some detail, so to speak. And then when we zoom in to our location, we have this new level of detail that's available to us. And so basically what we can do is we can provide a high level of detail close up, as well as an acceptable view from a greater distance.